The unseen connections. The illusion of separation is one of the greatest obstacles to spiritual peace. We are conditioned to see ourselves as isolated units, separate from the person next to us, separate from the environment, and certainly separate from the ultimate source. The profound truth, however, is that existence is a single, unified web of unseen connections where everything breathes, moves, and thrives only because of everything else. Understanding this radical interdependence is not merely an intellectual exercise. It is the fundamental realization that makes genuine spiritual service possible. For the spiritualist, the source is the flowing, intelligent consciousness that binds the cosmos. If the source is the ocean, then every person, every plant, every animal, and every natural system is merely a wave. A wave may look distinct, but it is never separate from the ocean. Its entire being is composed of the same water. Similarly, our lives are utterly dependent on the shared fabric of this universal energy. Consider the simple, undeniable connections that sustain us. We inhale the oxygen, exhaled by the forests and oceans. The food we eat is built from the soil, sun, and rain, a vast ecosystem functioning without our direct command. Our emotional state is constantly influenced by the energy and mood of those around us, providing that emotional well-being is a shared communal resource. To harm any part of the web is to fundamentally diminish the whole, including ourselves. Conversely, every act of healing, contribution, or kindness towards another being, whether human or environmental, is an act of self-healing and service to the source. Recognizing interdependence transforms our approach to compassion. When someone is in pain, interdependence teaches us that it's not merely their pain, it is a dissonance in the shared system. This moves us beyond mere sympathy, feeling sorry for someone, into universal empathy, the energetic recognition that their suffering is linked to our own well-being. This realization is the bedrock of egoless service. When we help, we are not sacrificing for another, but maintaining the health of the single organism of which we are an integral part. The purpose is not to save another, but to participate in the natural continuous flow of energy, giving and receiving, breathing out and breathing in. This perspective elevates all life to a state of sacred worth. The purpose of the spiritual life is therefore to live in conscious awareness of this unit, acting always in harmony with the interconnected whole. By respecting and tending to the unseen connections, we stop living as isolated particles and begin to live as the expansive, flowing consciousness of the Source itself. This is the profound, liberating truth of our shared existence.